Hey folks, we had a great chat this morning on our live stream about that unfortunate Carnival guest who had her cruise canceled right out from under her. Somebody else went in and canceled her cruise without her knowledge. We can use this as a learning experience to take this unfortunate incident and make sure it doesn't happen to you. So here's the best of what we know happened and how you can prevent it from happening to you. Now, number one, she booked it directly through Carnival Cruise Line. Now that takes away one level of security that a travel advisor or travel agent can add. I'll talk about that in a second. Now, number two, it sounds like her husband posted a picture on Facebook. That included the booking number, his last name, and I've seen some reports that the BIFP or loyalty number was also included in that picture. Folks, your booking number, you treat that like a social security number. You do not give that out to anybody who doesn't need to know. You certainly do not post that on social media, because when I have your booking number and I have your last name or your full name, that's really all I need to call up pretty much any cruise line and say, hey, this is so-and-so, and here's my booking number, and I want to cancel my cruise. For the most part, that's all you need, because at that point, the people on the phone are now going to go through this whole laundry list of things. Now, do you understand? But they may not ask you anything else. They may not ask you for a birth date. They may not ask you to confirm your address or things like that. Just having the name and the booking number, and especially if they gave that VIFP number allowed them to go in and even get more information about you. So you've got to protect that basic information. Now, where the travel agent would have come into play, if you book through me, I'm a travel advisor, you actually can't call Carnival to cancel the cruise. I have to call Carnival to cancel the cruise. You can't call any cruise line except Virgin Voyages to cancel the cruise. The travel advisor, travel agent, I have to call and make that cancellation. So that alone would have prevented this unfortunate situation from happening, because Carnival would have said, well, this is booked through Walter. Walter has to call us and verify that you want to cancel this cruise. And in the case that somebody did actually get Carnival to cancel the cruise, I would have gotten a notification right away. And I would have immediately called the client and say, did you cancel the cruise? And if she said no, I would have been on the line right away with Carnival saying, what did you just do? Put my client back on the ship. And if I had to take it up the line to my representative and the executives, that's what I would have done. So that's another way that we're kind of a safety net for you guys. If something has changed on the booking, we get notified right away. And then if I see something that doesn't look right, I'm going to call you and say, did you make this change? Did you authorize this change? Because if not, I'm going to put it back. So please use this as a learning experience. Protect your booking numbers, protect your loyalty numbers, and please use a travel advisor if for no other reason than to have an added safety net between you and the travel partner, so nobody can just step in and take your numbers and try to make a change, because the travel advisor has to make that change. I hope that was helpful. If we can help you with your travels in any way, please reach out. Our services are 100% free to you. Where's WalterTravel.com. Have an awesome day, everybody.